Hello? Hi.
You alright?
Are you?
Yeah, not too bad, thank you.
Filming.
What are you filming for? Anything exciting?
Not yet.
Not
Are
yet.
you exciting?
I don't know, am I?
Could you identify?
Sorry?
Could you identify
Identify what?
yourself?
I don't need to, do I? Hello, you alright?
Do you not? I think you do when a member of the public asks you to identify. You should really.
You can see my warrant number. You can see my
Okay. Is that how
warrant
you'd identify to a judge?
number. To a judge?
Yeah. Would you just do that? Would you?
That's a bit different though, isn't it?
Well, why is it different? You serve the public.
Yeah,
Do you not?
You're not a judge, are you?
I'm certainly not a judge.
Well, there we go then, so I don't have to.
I'm a member of the public though, and you serve the public.
If you ask me nicely what my name is.
What's your name, miss?
My name?
Yes.
My name's Ali.
Okay. Nice.
Alright?
Cool.
Okay, cool. So, what are you doing?
Making a video.
What are you making a video for?
Brighton police station video.
Police station video.
I like the colourful cars. I don't think that. Yeah.
Not too bad, is it?
Yeah.
Do you have any ID on you at all?
No. Why would I?
Well, just because you're taking a video of the police station, and I'm not wondering why.
Is that a problem?
It can be.
Why? Why could it be?
Why?
Yeah. How can it be a problem? What can I possibly do?
Well, what do you think? This current day and age.
What current day and age?
Okay. Can you just not film my face for a minute?
No, I
please?
will film your face.
No, I don't need to film my face.
Yeah, well, you
because
shouldn't
as much
move
as
forward.
you have a right of way as a member of the public,
Yeah.
I am also a member of the public.
Okay, I'm filming for public.
That's
You should know
absolutely
that I
fine,
can
but you don't need to film my face.
I
Can
will
we
film
it
your.
that
I
way?
will film your face.
No, don't film my face.
What are you gonna do?
Do you have ID on
What are you gonna do about it?
Okay, under Section 1 of the Police and Criminal Evidence Act, I require you.
Section 1 of PACE.
Yeah.
That's a search power actually.
It is a search power.
So what are you searching
Currently, well, at the moment.
So am I
you're
detained?
No, I haven't said you're detained.
for? Why are you bringing up section?
The first thing she asked for was ID to be clear. In the UK, you don't have to carry or show identification unless you're driving or a specific law applies. For example, under Section 50 of the Police Reform Act, officers can ask for your name and address if they reasonably believe you're involved in antisocial behaviour. Instead of mentioning that, she referred to Section 1 of PACE, the Police and Criminal Evidence Act. That section allows officers to carry out a stop and search if they suspect you might have stolen goods or banned items, such as weapons, burglary tools, or fireworks. What it doesn't do is give the power to demand ID by default. Simply filming in public isn't a reason for an ID check. Her claim was incorrect, and the fact that she stepped back as soon as it was questioned makes that clear.
Let's get this right now, yeah? Let's not make any mistakes now, yeah?
Why are you videoing?
Because I want to.
Because you want to.
So you were saying something about Section 1 of PACE. Let me hear that.
Okay, no, you carry on. You want to talk, obviously.
No, I want to hear you talk about
So, what questions do you have for us?
police code of practice. Let me hear about the PACE.
No, I don't want to.
Yeah, no, you were saying something about Section 1. No, let's hear about that. Let's hear about that. Yeah, I'm gonna film your
In
face.
fact, what I'll do, I'll film my face.
Yeah, well.
I'm going to go this way now, and I'm just going to go to the supervisor. Are you alright just monitoring? Yeah.
Monitoring what?
So you don't come in the police station?
I know, you've got signage, so I won't come in. It's fine. There's signage there, so there's no implied right of access.
If someone's filming for security reasons, we have to cover.
Don't be a bully like her, please.
I'm not being a
I know,
bully.
but you should. I know, you absolutely. I know you're not. I'm just saying.
It's a security.
Okay, how am I breaching your security? You see how she tried to apply a bit of pressure, and when I wasn't having it, she backpedaled quickly. So that's a sign of a bully. Do you understand? You know what a bully will pick on someone until they kind of fight back, and then they won't. So I'm not implying that you are. I'm just saying, learn from that and make sure you don't never act like that with a member of the public.
The auditor described it perfectly. Pressure tactics. The approach is simple. Use legal terms, sound confident, and hope people give in. But as soon as someone pushes back, the tone changes. This is where many people get caught out. They hear Section 1 of PACE and assume it's correct, when in fact it doesn't apply in the way the officer suggests. If you're unsure of the law, you might hand over your details without any real reason. But if you do know your rights, the officer's claim quickly falls apart. That's why being informed matters. Understanding what powers actually exist helps you handle situations like this with confidence.
Do you understand?
Yes.
You understand? Good. Would you mind identifying yourself?
Yeah, my name's Alicia, and my shoulder number's there.
Okay. Hello, Alicia. So these are the police fitness standards as well, by the way. So am I being detained or anything?
What do you mean, police fitness standards?
I'm just assessing standards.
I think you're just here to cause trouble.
Okay.
So literally, why else? You got better things to do today than just film a police station?
No. So if I was to run away, do you reckon you could catch me?
I wouldn't chase you.
So am I being detained? Can I go? You don't want to answer questions, though? Alright. So I wasn't meaning to be rude. I just thought that there would be, you know, higher sort of fitness requirement. Look at the state of these, like.
Can you just stand back from the boundary, please? You're not in a public right away there. You're in the police station. You can get arrested for trespass.
You sure? What offence is that?
Go back to.
What offence is trespass?
Go back on.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
I'm allowed to touch you to remove you from property.
Trespass is not an offence. You can't.
Film as much as you like, but you don't come over that boundary there, because then you're in the police station. You can be arrested for trespass. No, I'm going to just move you back.
Next, she changed approach and suggested the auditor could be arrested for trespass. That's not correct. Trespass on its own is a civil matter, not a criminal one. It only becomes a criminal issue in cases of aggravated trespass, and that requires clear intent to disrupt lawful activity. Standing on a public pavement and filming doesn't come anywhere near that standard. So this was just another baseless threat, clearly used to move him along without real legal grounds. A classic example of intimidation being used where the law doesn't support it.
You not touch me.
Well,
So are we going to argue over this? Are we going to argue over this little piece of
No,
tarmac?
I'm going now. You stay on the pavement.
Okay.
You're absolutely fine.
You can't arrest me for trespass. Yeah, you're dismissed. Go away, weirdo.
I need to arrest you because you're not doing
Yeah, what was that about section 1 of pace? Yeah, you bottled it. Yeah, you bottled it. You bottled it. Yeah, I will enjoy my video. And I'll come back on your property as well.
Can you get back out of the police station?
What difference does it make if I'm stood there or here?
I'm going to say this to you once and once
Right.
only. This is a public domain, okay?
Yeah, I know.
This
it is.
wall-
And I can film your face in public
Yeah,
as
you
well.
can film my. Well, I'm not in public at the moment, though, am I? I'm in
I
the
can
police
film you
station.
there as well.
Right.
Anything I can see from public.
Right, instead of talking over me, can you please listen?
I'm listening.
Okay. You can stand in the public domain.
You can't
which
arrest
is
me
on
for
this wall.
trespass either. You'll be sued if you do that.
Well, try
There's
and see
what
it, that's
offence?
fine.
What offence is
I'm saying
trespass?
to you, you cannot come into the police station, okay? This is the pavement, the public domain. You can stay there, that's absolutely fine.
Right, dismissed. Bye, weirdo.
We've got paperwork.
You're a weirdo, man. Go away.
We've got better stuff to do.
Yeah, you don't though. You don't. Your supervisor gave you advice and now you backpedaled. What's going on? Can you have a word with that lady, please?
What's going on?
Can you identify?
And what happened? I mean, I just walked by, so my colleague-
She tried to say that I couldn't film. She tried to put her hands on me.
Okay.
She tried to threaten me with section 1 of pace. She tried to tell me that I could be arrested for trespassing. As you know, trespass is a civil matter, so lots of mistakes, lots of things that probably could have been handled a lot better.
Could I just go back? I mean, what is the reason why?
I'm
you're
just filming.
For what? Like, are you a blogger or?
It doesn't matter. I don't need to have a reason, to be fair.
Okay. So
But we're not going to be petty over whether I'm standing here or here, are we?
Obviously, obviously.
Can I see your designation card quickly? Yeah, I'm listening.
Designation.
Our police officer
Yeah.
colleague just asked if you could just step over there.
Yeah, I know.
It's not a lot to ask. I appreciate.
Yeah, and it's not.
You can
Yeah.
film, you're welcome to
But
film.
look. What's the difference if I stand there or there? What could I
Well,
possibly achieve from here? We're just exercising jurisdiction unnecessarily.
I mean, what is the reason why? I mean, are you a blogger? That's what I was.
Can I see your designation card
I mean,
before I
my
engage with you?
designation is PC.
No,
so-
you have a designation card which shows me
My
what powers you
card,
have.
yeah.
No, designation card because you're a
No,
PCSO.
we don't carry
Oh,
out.
you should really carry it.
We have it everything in
No,
our.
it's not a requirement.
A second PCSO then arrived, and his approach was noticeably different. He was calmer and more conversational, asking if the filming was for blogging or something similar. While the tone seemed friendlier, the key issue was still accountability. PCSOs don't have the same powers as police constables. Their authority comes only from what the chief constable has officially given them in writing. These powers often include things like issuing fixed penalties, seizing alcohol, or dispersing groups. According to Home Office guidance, PCSOs should carry a card or record showing exactly what powers they've been assigned. Some forces issue a physical card, while others note it in official notebooks. The point is transparency. When asked to show his card, this PCSO didn't provide one. That might not be illegal, but it damages trust. If you're exercising authority over the public, you should be able to show where that authority comes from. Without it, people are left uncertain, and that's a problem.
It's all on our police.
what's the
You
matter?
sure it's not? You sure it's not a requirement for you to carry it?
But why?
If you want-
produce
if you
it.
want to look at our powers, you can go onto something.
No, don't worry. I'm well aware of your powers. I'm just seeing if you're going to follow your policy or not.
I mean, you know, like.
We're going to leave now, okay? You can continue filming.
Yeah, thanks. I will
But if you
continue.
have any further station, what's the other police have to
Have to and do what?
It's not about doing. It's about having a mutual respect. Obviously, they have explained.
What mutual respect? I'm not doing anything
You know,
illegal, am I?
I mean, I asked you politely, like, why are you filming?
Because I want to. I don't need to have
just
a reason.
for my curiosity. I mean, what are you a blogger or what is
Doesn't
your
matter why,
expecting?
it doesn't matter. Simple
Okay.
as that.
That's fine.
Doesn't matter. You see, like.
You shouldn't wear that. You're defacing the British flag by wearing that. That's a gang sign. You shouldn't really be wearing that.
Okay, right. We'll go now.
Yeah, have you learned something
Okay,
today?
so we're
You've
gonna
learned a few
draw.
things today, yeah?
Okay. All right, we're going to draw.
And it's a
these.
requirement for you to carry your designation
Yeah,
card.
we have it in our pocket notebook, so we
It's all
have
in
every.
there.
Yeah.
Alright, let me see it.
Yeah, it's not about you.
So remember,
seeing
the
it,
public's asking for it right
Yeah.
now. I'm requiring
Yeah,
you
I
to
mean,
show me your
if
designation
you go
card.
online, you will be able to see it. But
I'm not online now, am I? I'm asking
Yeah,
you.
but what I'm saying is, my colleague has explained to you, if you don't step into this private property, you are more than welcome to film on the road, whatever you're doing. I think there is another gentleman who is skateboarding. They are happily doing that. But if you wanted to film in that, that's fine enough. Okay. All right.
But we'll see you later.
See you
okay?
later. Bye.
That woman was a definite tyrant, guys. That first one, definite tyrant. Talking about section 1 of PACE and da. She said, under section 1 of PACE, I'm requiring you to identify yourself. I'm like, what are you talking about, bro? Section 1 of PACE. Section 1 of PACE is a stop and search power. This woman's clueless. Basically, one of your colleagues, I was filming. Naturally, she asked me to stop filming. Then she tried to require my ID under section 1 of PACE, and then backpedaled. So I don't think that was good practice. As we're aware, PACE is a stop and search power, right? So I don't know if she was trying to flex or I don't know what she was doing, but
I mean, I can't possibly comment
Of
on
course.
because I wasn't there.
you asked me the question, and
I just
yeah, I'm just making a video. Police
Okay. Do you know what you could do, which might be?
escorted tour.
What's that?
Can I get an escorted
Do you know
tour?
what I was going to suggest?
Can I jump in the back?
No, you're not allowed. I'm really sorry. So the reason is we're not insured, sadly.
Okay.
But if you're interested in the police, why don't you go down to the front office and see what they can offer you and what you can do?
Okay.
Because then you do
I know where it is. Yeah.
So have you been in before?
I've never been here before. This is my first Brighton rodeo.
Oh, okay. Are you from Brighton?
No,
What would you like?
I'm not required to give names already.
No, you don't have to.
What's your name? Would you mind identifying?
Yeah, of course. I can tell you.
You're very friendly, thanks.
No, that's fine. My name's PC Fraser.
Okay.
But I think if you want to find out about the police and you want to find out about things, if you walk up this hill here and round to the front office, then they'll be able to help
Yeah,
you.
to be fair, PC, I'm more interested in exercising my right to film from a public place and not being interfered with. That's more of the point. You know,
Fine, it's obviously if you film in the rear of the police station.
yes.
There is security concerns.
Okay. Is this not a secure building?
Say again?
Is this not a secure building?
It's a police station.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very secure.
You've got the appropriate signage on there. I understand I don't have an implied right of access, so I'm sticking to the public boundary. Yeah.
Be prepared that you're going to have a lot of officers to know what you're up to.
Would you circulate it so I won't?
I can't be there. The police officers have curiosity if someone's filming in the rear of the police
Why? This is a lawful activity. I wouldn't really expect this to pique anyone's interest.
We're not going to find out with you. All it
Alright.
says, be aware of what the police says.
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, if this is a police vehicle,
Yeah.
if it's a police vehicle, you can see us on the street, you can see us coming out of the station.
Yeah.
Okay. But this is the limit for
Yes.
obvious reasons.
Yeah, so I'm aware of the signage. I can read the signage.
Okay. And if you want to find out more about the police, then obviously go round to the front office and talk to them.
I'm finding out a lot as we speak. Just
that's
by virtue of me
absolutely
filming,
Okay.
I'm learning a lot.
But we will ask you because that's our job.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Okay, do you want to give me your name?
No, I'm not going to give no names. No,
Alright, well, okay. You might have a busy afternoon with officers speaking.
I hope not.
And just please be mindful, this is a working police station.
Yes.
When officers get responsive to emergencies, they will be able to come out here. They'll have their lights on, you'll see them. But obviously this isn't the greatest place
Yeah.
standing with the cars coming in and out.
Yeah. Don't worry. I'm not going to stand in the way of moving traffic. Don't worry about
I
it.
appreciate that, but as I say, I don't really care if you want to film. Police officers get filmed every day. It might be better just over there. You're going to get
All
the
right.
same
Well,
amount,
thanks for your
you're gonna get the
suggestion,
same
but
amount, you're going to get the same amount of coverage.
all right.
You'll be
Okay.
safer.
You'll be safer.
All right. Thanks for looking out for my safety. I'll be able to look after it. Thanks.
I hope you do.
Bye.
Alright, bye-bye.
You too, sir. Bye, PC Fraser.
Finally, compare all of this with the constable who arrived later. His approach was calm, clear, and accurate. He explained the situation in simple terms. Stay on the pavement, film if you wish, just don't step onto private property. That's the law in practice. No exaggeration, no invented powers, just the actual rules. It was a complete contrast to the earlier confusion and bluffs from the PCSOs, and it all unfolded outside Brighton Police Station. This highlights an important point. If you don't know your rights, it's easy to be misled. But if you do, you can stand your ground with confidence. That's exactly why resources like the UK Right Survival Guide matter. They break down the key powers in plain language, so you're never caught off guard.